Welcome back. The other day I had spoken about snoring and what effects it can create, and I also had suggested certain remedial measures. Now I want to introduce to you a practice to cure snoring. This is called Marma Chikitsa. So I have been practicing this for over 8 years, and several people have benefited from different kinds of ailments. So today I am going to show you how you can increase the flow of prana inside your body so that your snoring can reduce and eventually stop. So first of all, you identify the place where your chest ends and the shoulder begins. So between these two places there is a depression. Okay, this is the place. So I am pointing to the left side of my chest. Similarly, I want you to point to the right side of the chest, which means with my left hand, I will take my left hand all the way to the right side where my chest ends and the shoulder begins. So there is another depression. So there is a depression on my left side and my right side. I place both my hands here and I will rotate outward. Now I am not rubbing my skin, I am moving the muscles. So I rotate outward 3 times and rotate inward 3 times. Now I repeat this 3 sets. When I am doing this, I am activating the lungs to absorb more oxygen. So I just do 3 sets of 3 outward rotations and 3 inward rotations. This is the first part. The second is from your gullet. This is your gullet. From your gullet, measure 4 fingers. So from your gullet, measure 4 fingers on your chest, and at this point, place your thumb, give a little pressure, moderate pressure, and move to and fro 3 times. This is the second therapy that you have to do. So first I showed you was to rotate outward and inward, 3 revolutions. When I do this, I activate the lungs so that the lungs can absorb more oxygen. The second, from your gullet, measure 4 fingers and place your thumb here and move to and fro 3 times. The third practice is at the breastbone. So from the breastbone, I just first work on the left side. So from here, I just going to pull all the way down. So I place both my hands and pull all the way down on the left side. I do this 3 times. So I go along the rib cage all the way to the left side. Just 3 times. Now I repeat the same on both sides. So I place both my fingers at the sternum. Sternum is the rib cage, so the center point, and then from here I go all the way down. So mark my fingers. So my fingers, all 4 of them are following each other, flowing along the rib cage. So you must do this. Don't do this. This must not be done. This is what I want you to do. Just 3 times. After you do 3 times, you come onto the gullet once again, and here you again tap, just a finger touch, just a feather touch 3 times. So that's it. You do these 3 practices and you will see that your snoring will simply come down and stop. I've had people who have been using the sleep app machine for their sleep apnea, and many of them, scores of them, have had no use of this machine after doing this therapy. Follow this therapy and subscribe to our channel, like and share, and also let us know how this therapy has benefited you. Thank you.